Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to Star Rail, and so we left off in the ice area, so I did some stuff with the camera. Yeah, so we're supposed to investigate the snow, I think.
Hey, get out of there or you'll shiver to death.
Why? Surprisingly, how
Holding your breath won't help.
Surprised how you.
I got this, March. Someone's got their head stuck in the sand, or the snow in this case. They just need a helping hand.
Ouch!
Did you stab him?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
My fine fellow, was that really necessary? Is crawling around in the snow a crime these days? I mean, come on, surely it doesn't warrant a spearing. But then again, how can I blame you? I mean, I caught you off guard. It had to happen. You could even say I deserved it, huh? Besides, I made a gallant group of new friends as a result. Is Captain Japard around?
Who?
Wait, you're not Silvermane Guards? Well, why didn't you say so? Turns pleasure to meet you. The name's Sampo Koski. Excellent, I'll remember the name. Never thought I'd run into friends from the same line of work out here in this frozen wasteland. Say, why don't we join forces? I have reliable intel the main strength of the Silvermane Guards is being deployed to the front. Come now, friends. Then again, anyway, a meeting like this You really?
Yeah, let's move on.
Seems like you guys really are new to the business. To be young and not... There are ways of doing...
No need. Why don't you just take us to the city?
The city? Already?
Just take us, man.
But it would be my pleasure. Kindness is Sampo Koski's middle name. Follow me, friends.
So your shampoo...
So why were you hiding from the Silvermane Guards?
Yeah, we're just storing a few relics away from prying eyes. Nothing serious. If it weren't for the uncompromising nature of our civil service, there'd be no need for secrecy.
Where is the...
So whereabouts you guys from, anyway? I don't mean to pry or anything, I just... Rule number 7, never leave a footprint. I have my own special technique called invisible snow walking. Helps me throw off pursuers in no...
Who are they?
You remember the Silvermane Guards I mentioned? That's them! Help me, old friends! I don't want...
It's the suspect and his accomplices. Arrest them!
So is this some like,
now or
propaganda?
never. Over to you, dear friends!
Hey, where do you think you're...
Haven't learned your lesson.
You have the worst luck running into...
What about this?
Fight to win.
Gotta try hard sometimes.
He has a gun.
Check out this awesome move! Scared yet?
Asta, I don't really think they look scared.
Who's the lucky one today?
Metallic men.
Haven't learned your lesson.
That's what I think they are.
My turn. Watch this!
Let's go.
guest with no manners. Look out!
Yeah. We're safe. Where is he? What's that?
I, Japard Landau, captain of the Silver Mane Guards, order you to relinquish your futile resistance.
That Sampo cheated us all. Wait till I get my hands on him.
Suspect. Relinquish your resistance.
So I'm a criminal, huh? Forget Sampo. Wait until I get my hands on you.
I want to listen to the main theme.
Is that all you got?
Let me pay you back.
Oh, God!
Full!
That's a scoot of the mic, bro.
Rules are made to be broken!
Anyway. This guy. You're gonna be written soon.
Scared yet?
Boom.
Fight to win.
Oh, no.
In the name of preservation!
Did it say
And the prime suspect? The one with the blue hair?
Apologies, Captain. We lost him during the pursuit. We can't find his footprints.
No matter. We have his accomplices. He'll be close by, plotting his next.
Yeah, we'd
We don't
never
know.
team up with someone like him.
We don't know it. We don't know him. Well, I've never met this guy.
I'm not trying to talk our way out.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
This decision is beyond us. If what they say is true, then only the Supreme Guardian may decide their fate. Our job is to present them before her. Nothing more. Outsiders, follow me. Belobog lies beyond this blizzard.
Alright.
Welcome to Belobog.
Alright.
The
Alright.
city-
March is Maria and your Shadow the Hedgehog. Alright. As well as basically the game.
Hey, it feels like it got a bit warmer.
That's because you're in Belobog, the last bastion of humanity.
Last bastion?
So what,
700
they're
years
last?
ago, monsters from beyond the sky set the world ablaze. The land was turned to scorched earth, with raging infernos and billowing towers of smoke stretching beyond the horizon. In the midst of the conflict, the eternal freeze descended without warning. Suddenly, sweeping winds brought blizzards which buried the invading legion. Belobog was all that remained. The steadfast architects built this city. Under the protection of Klepoth, the preservation, Belobog remains forever warm in the face of unrelenting cold.
He's sure saying some weird stuff.
A marked change in tone.
Uh-huh.
This place looks
wanted
like
to know.
what they told us Naya was. But again, it looks too touristic to be Snezhnaya.
We saw strange creatures outside the city. They must have come from a Terran-corroded space. A fragmentum, correct?
How do you...
By look
That's
at their
right.
clothing, it looks like
Out there in the blizzard, there are still
Russian?
many threats, including the monsters you saw. The Silvermane guards are continuously engaged with the enemy, but I'm afraid the situation is bleak. After your meeting with the Supreme Guardian, I would like to consult you on this matter. We're lacking in intel.
You got caught lacking? Oh no. That's bad for you, mate.
We're here. This is Klipoth Fort, the heart of Belobog and head... Klipoth is the symbol of preservation. Under Klipoth's impulsion, the architects constructed Belobog, thus protecting the spark of civilization from disaster and the eternal freeze. To show our reverence, we named this fortress after the Aeon themselves. The architects, under the protection of Klipoth, have continued to lead this city forward, repelling all manner of disasters. This fortress is also the residence of the Supreme Guardian.
The Supreme Guardian?
The leader of Belobog, elected and appointed by the architects.
Why not call him
The Supreme Guardians have watched over the city for generations,
Supreme
sheltering the people from harm.
God leader?
The current Guardian is Madame Cocolia Rand.
Alright,
city-
March is Maria and your Shadow the Hedgehog.
Every major strategic decision is issued by her.
Whoa, she sounds like a big deal.
I will now bring you to see Madame Cocolia. Please, have your words at the ready. Her time is precious, so she prefers concise communication.
We're gonna see her...
Let's not waste time. No one will notice.
Time on a girl, yes.
I've dispatched a messenger to send word. Madame Cocolia will be aware of your arrival. Come with me.
But that's a meaningless sacrifice. How can you... You may leave, Branya. Visitors have arrived.
Yes, Mother.
Welcome, visitors from beyond the Eternal Freeze. Or perhaps I should say, from beyond the sky, no? I am Cocolia Rand, Belobog's Supreme Guardian. I would be grateful if you could tell me why you have come.
I don't live beyond the sky.
Do you wish me to doubt it? Or perhaps you're not confident in that identity yourself. No, I do not doubt it. I can see that you are not from this world. The architects remember the history well, else we should forget it. I know that in the distant past, before the Eternal Freeze descended or the Legion invaded, this world was once prosperous beyond measure. An eon connected our planet to other worlds, and we discovered the endless possibilities of the boundless universe. We also came to know of Klipoth, the Amber Lord. Under their attentive gaze, we built the city walls. So do not be surprised. For 700 years, the architects have received no further communication from the stars. But I knew of your existence. Tell me why you have come.
Do you think anyone's gonna know what you're talking about?
We came here for something known as a Stellaron.
A Stellaron?
Objects that fell from the blue on separate worlds. Their appearance spelled disaster. Many of the planets we visited have suffered their effects. You mentioned invasion by the Antimatter Legion.
One.
Soon after
And
their
we've only
arrival,
unlocked one.
this planet suffered the Eternal Freeze. At the same time, the phenomenon known as fragmentum space corrosion began to occur. Correct?
Correct.
Sorry, I just fell asleep there.
Which is why the Antimatter Legion and Stellarons often show up together. Worlds seeded with Stellarons give birth to fragmentums. As for the Eternal Freeze, it must have been a product of the Stellaron, unique to the environment of your world. You can see us as kind-hearted interstellar public servants. lending a helping hand to any world affected by a Stellaron.
Your analysis of our current circumstances is clear. We have indeed suffered the disasters you speak of. Even if this Stellaron you speak of did bring about disaster, I fail to see its connection to you. I don't believe that anyone would go to such lengths to help a world unrelated to them.
You're right. Our reason for coming here is not purely selfless. If we don't seal the Stellar...
Yeah, FYI, we're pretty awesome.
You know how to seal the Stellaron.
We have the relevant means.
Very well.
No.
I believe you. It's getting late.
Well, let's take a look around.
But of course, I too need some time. Of course, I understand. Do not worry.
Corruption? Darkness? Why
It seems that the Supreme Guardian holds you in high regard. I have received orders that your movements are no longer to be restricted.
You know, I didn't think things were gonna go that smoothly.
I'm afraid I still have duties to attend to. I must return to my post. I hope you enjoy your stay in Belobog.
Wait, can you recommend some sites? It's not that late. We want to take a look around.
Well, I'd say that Golden Theater and the History Museum are both worth a look. However, you'd need a pass to get into the museum. I recommend you visit Everwinter Monument first. It's Belobog's most symbolic landmark.
What?
And if you enjoy music, you could head to Neverwinter Workshop. You can sometimes... Oh, and if you're staying at Goethe Hotel, please avoid the alley that runs next to it. The one with Silvermane guards stationed there. It started to be affected by corrosion recently, so it's been sealed off.
So the corrosion is inside the city. That's a grave situation.
Yes, we're mounting a resistance.
Well, if it's going to be in the sea, that's going to be bad. Alright? Anyway, that's going to be where we're going to leave things off today, so I'll see you on the next one.